joining us for tonight's presentation. And please remember to keep your parking receipts for validation purposes. That being said, we are so very excited to present this evening's entertainment. The performance will last approximately 60 minutes with a short intermission. Now, without further ado, I would like to introduce two very special friends of mine